Welcome to the ASTRO, and this is the part 2 of SDSS navigation tool interaction with the interface. Uh, so earlier video, like we have gone through this side of interaction, and in this video we'll explore these keywords that what they contains. Okay, so for begin with that, we go to a object, say R105, resolve it. It's R105, resolve it. So here is our object. Now we want to explore these parts. Okay, so first, we'll go to quick look what it is. Let's see. Okay, so this is about the summary of your data. This is SDSS object, and this is like object ID. It's a array and date in the degree, and then you can see here all magnitudes UG RIZ band, and it's a galaxy type. It has given a say redshift, and you can also get data in the CSV format. So just click it, and you will get a spectrum in your CSV file. You can also see here is your spectrum, and after that you can interact with the spectra also. So click interactive spectrum, and you can see that there's some details: run 26 plate ID, Julian date, fiber, and then type of galaxy. So here you can see that either it is a spectra, lines have been marked. It's you can also just do one thing: remove all and go to state initial. Okay, so this is your line. You can also go for the best fit. This is your best fit of the spectra. You can also mark emission lines, mark adjustment lines, and plot flux in steps. Okay, so this way you can plot in steps. You can also unzoom it or zoom it, zoom the spectra in the step plot, and you can see that here are some details about the galaxy. Here are some PSF magnitudes, and here are the details of the lines, ejection lines, emission lines. They have given the line redshift, then dispersion, line flux, and continuum. Okay, so these things you can get from here. Now go back and then go to explore. Okay, so here you can see that some details about the object as earlier, and okay, so here you can see that spectrography is SDSS, redshift is given, error, and then plate Julian data and fiber ID is given, so dispersion is given. Okay, so on the left side, here you can see that there are some imaging summary. Okay, so if you click it here, fits, then it will give you the data of your observation in say UG, RI, and Z band. So you can download it. So if you click it, then you can download your fits file, photometric files from this website, and you can also go to these tags. Say go to other observations, or maybe you can go to say your photo tag. So what keyword it contains? So its photo tag is basically it's like a table name, and it contains so many things about the observations. You can see that everything is given here: array date, extension, spec object ID, size, and mode. It's a PSF magnitude in all bands. Similarly, you can also go to photo object, and you can see that again this is a table and it contains some columns. Now go to your cross ID spec summary. So basically it contains the spectra. Okay, so click on fits and you can see that here is your spectra, and you can download your spectra from here. So here my spectra is getting downloaded, and you can open with your any uh, spectra reading code with Python or okay. So you can see that is an aspect object. So click it. So basically this is a table like earlier. Okay, so it contains everything about the spectra of the object. It's a best ID, flux ID, parent ID, and it has given details of this aspect of the object ID. Similarly, uh, you can also look for the gal aspect line. So click it and see. So this is like gal aspect line is like a table and it contains some columns. Okay, so you can see that there's a, like a sigma bomber. It's a flux. Okay, it's a flux. It is given for like all your spectra. It also given the continuum of the your spectra. Flux error is given, and these things have been extracted using SQL query. Now Gall spec info. Let's see what it contains. Let is a table and it contains about Z error, red shift, zero dispersion error, and other things. You can also okay. So I hope you got the idea that how to uh, interact with your SDSS interface and how to download data. So thank you.